So here's the wreck of the Zimmel family hauler, which is a 2017 GMC Terrain. It only has 54,000 miles, but there's a problem here. When you go to start it up, put our key in our ignition. When you go to start it up, listen. Let's pop the hood. It's not supposed to sound like that. And out the back, it smells horrible. It lived a pretty good life besides my brother scraping the side of it with his own car in our own driveway. But the funny part is my 1997 Buick Park Avenue will outlive this car because it's just a better engine. It does not have the 2.4 liter inline 4. It has the 3800 V6, which is far better of an engine. And even funnier is the 280,000 mile Honda CR-V will outlive the GMC Terrain. So hopefully me telling you this tells you not to buy a GMC Terrain, Chevy Equinox, or really any of the cars with the 2.4 liter inline 4 or the 3.6 liter V6. Anyway, thanks for watching.